Hey guys, welcome back to this week's shop update. We don't have any new products for you guys this week, but we did want to highlight the Spawn X Sims pullover Henry Fork hoodies. They're only $50, so go check them out on our website as well as here in the shop.
All right, everybody. Now it's time for a couple dates that you should mark in your calendar. The first one, it's a sad one, but this Sunday, the 22nd of October, the jetty will be closing. So if you haven't gotten out there and you need to feel the tug of a rockfish, you've got a few days left. Just keep in mind, it can be pretty tragic this time of year. The weather moves in and it turns what it should be a fun day into, oh man, let's get out of here in a hurry. So 22nd of October, jetty closes. Another date you need to mark down, and this one's really important, October 27th. It's a Friday. From 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., we're doing our first fly tying class of 2023 here in the shop. All you have to bring is yourself and a great attitude. We'll provide everything else. All right, dates are done. Only thing left, fishing report. Here's what you need to know. Put the 4 and 5 weights away. Cutthroat fishing can wait a little bit. It's salmon time. Specifically, the chum have moved in. So bust out the 8 weight, 9 weight, get some really strong leader material, come down here, stop in the shop, say hi to Josh, McKenna, and myself. We'll tell you exactly what you need and where to go for success. And that'll do it for this week's shop update. Hope you guys find some time to do some fishing. And if not, we will see you next week.